Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my April Boxycharm unboxing. I keep wanting to say March, but it's not March. And I wasn't kidding, this video is coming sooner than you thought. And yes, so this is my April Boxycharm. This time it came with a little product card, which I love these because it tells you how much the box is worth. And Boxycharms are $21 a month. And the link will be listed down below for you guys to get them. And they come with 5 to 7 products every month, or maybe it's 4 to 7 or something like that. I'm not really sure exactly. They changed it up, I know that. It used to be 5 to 7, but I'm not sure if it's the same anymore. But yeah, so the first thing I see when I open my box is this Manhattan Beach Anderson Lily hand cream. And this is in the Beach Butter one. And this is retailed at $24. And can't really smell it. Oh, the little cap's on. And it's a pretty big bottle. It's like about the size of my hand. So it's a pretty good size for it. And the next thing I see in here is just this Your Minerals eyeshadow. And this is a full size and this costs $21. So basically this eyeshadow is the price of this box. And it is just the brown Hypnotic. And it's a loose shadow, I believe. Yes, it's a loose shadow. It's very pretty. It's just like a brown that's kind of chromed. Or metallic, if you want to say that. And next thing that's in here, oh my god, this shade is so pretty. And we just Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Honolulu. And this shade is just gorgeous. Look at how pretty that is. I would put this on my lips, but my pink is pretty rocking right now. If you guys want to see this tutorial, make sure you guys click the link down below. But yeah, this shade is gorgeous. And this is cost $19.90. So that is pretty a good price for it. It's not matte, I don't think. No, it's not matte. Now I have lipstick all over me. And then I see another thing that I have gotten previously, which is the Blink mascara or something. It's like these weird tubes. Oh, it's a lash primer. Interesting. Never used one of those. I know usually primers for lashes are white. This is black. So I'm kind of curious to try this out. And this is retailed at $26. The next thing that's in here is just a Pure Lease Daily Lip Nourisher. And yeah, it's small. It's worth $16. Not going to open it up because I don't feel a need to. But yeah, so that's everything that's in my April Boxycharm. I hope you guys liked it. Nothing really that stood out to me. This box is kind of disappointing. I think the best box I've ever gotten was my January box. But I did like the lipstick in here. It's very pretty. And I did like the eyeshadow. I love makeup in my boxes. I really don't enjoy like the hand creams and stuff like that. But you never know when I'm going to need a hand cream. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And click that subscribe button down below. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. And you guys can also go add me on Snapchat and Twitter at CJWalker735 if you want a little bit more of me. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!